guys downtown. All the proceeds will go to Free Bird.
All right, this is Jackie's second match, the fourth graders at Lewiston. The kid he beat in triple overtime in the first match just pinned the other guy. So this match is looking to be the finals maybe. Okay, keep spinning, keep spinning, keep spinning, keep spinning. There you go. Tip him over, tip him over. There you go. Turn him over. Turn him over. Nice. Ref, look. There you go, Jackie. Nice. Lock it up. Start all over. Again. All right, Jackie, break him down. Are we at the end of the first or beginning? Nice way to finish strong, Jack. Nice job. Okay, Jackie, break him down. To your base. Keep wrestling, keep wrestling. Come on out, Jackie. Head up. Head up, buddy. Jack, you gotta get your head off the mat. Come on up. There you go, head up, Jack. There, he's high, Jackie, he's high. What happened to you? What do you want to do, Jack? Down or? Okay, take him down. Head up, butt down. Head up, butt down, Jackie. Watch out for that headlock. Oh, goodness. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Keep coming. Other way, other way.